In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a poll on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Telegram app and then we need to enter a group. I'm just gonna search for my test group here. And now when we are at our group, we need to tap right here at that paperclip icon at the bottom left corner. It will show you photos and videos from your camera roll. However, you need to tap right here at the bottom right where it says poll. Now here at the first text field, we need to enter our question. Let's say, what color do you like? And after that we need to add some options for this poll. We can add the first one if we tap right here, and then we can enter the first option. Then if we hit right here down below at the second one, it will allow us to add another option for this poll, and in the same way we can add up to 10 options. And once it is done, scroll down a bit, and here you can configure your poll a bit because here we can choose either we want to activate or deactivate anonymous voting. If it is activated, it allows users to vote anonymously. Also here we can choose if we will allow or not allow for our users to make multiple answers. And also we can activate quiz mode here. However, I'm gonna turn off all of these options, and then to send this poll to the group, we just need to hit right here and it will share this poll, and now our group members can choose any option from this list, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.